Hey, what's up? It's Quentin again from Sneed Coding Solutions, and another common question we get is, can I try the printer or the packaging equipment before I buy it? Or do you guys offer a demo? It's a fair question. After all, every production line is different and nobody wants to invest in equipment that isn't the right fit. That's exactly why we have our 30-day performance guarantee. When you buy a SNEED-JET printer or a SNEED-PACK piece of equipment, we give you 30 days to make sure it works for your application. In the unlikely event your purchase doesn't perform for your application, we will gladly refund you your money. No hassle, no runaround, simply contact us for a return authorization number before sending back your equipment, and then we will take care of the rest. We believe this is better than a typical demo, as you're actually testing the equipment on your production line with your products at your pace. Our 30-day performance guarantee applies to all SNEED-JET printers as well as virtually all of our SNEED-PACK packaging equipment. The only exception is for the EBS handjet printers, and for those we offer a 10-day trial program. Those machines are handled a little differently, so if you're interested in an EBS printer, just ask our team about the trial process. The reason we're comfortable offering the 30-day guarantee is because we work hard to make sure you get the right solution before you ever place an order. We'll ask you questions about your products, your production line, your print requirements, and when needed, we will even test your materials in our sample lab. The goal is to make sure the printer or packaging equipment actually works for your application. Ultimately, we want you to feel good about your investment. If it works for you, that's great. You keep reliable equipment running on your production line. And if it doesn't, then you're not stuck with something that doesn't fit your needs. If you have questions on if our printers or packaging equipment is the right fit for your application, then reach out to our team. We will help you determine the best solution, and you can purchase with the confidence knowing that your investment is backed by the 30-day performance guarantee. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.